Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your twin flame and soulmate reading for Feb 2021. I hope it resonates with you, but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus collective twin flame and soulmate reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating. Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck, and let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius for twin flame and soulmate reading, which I need to deliver for all over the world. Okay, 2 more. Bottom of the deck, I'm having blessed. You are the blessed one. I always tell you this, Aquarius. You are the blessed one. Okay, let me see now. You want to treat some situation affair, some kind of justice is going to served in your case, Aquarius. Okay, there is a change in the wind. Okay, I need to see what is that change. I need to clarify these cards. So there is a change in the wind. Okay, there is some kind of justice. You want to treat the situation equal. Okay, you want equal amount of give and take. You are exchanging the gifts with someone here. Okay, and you are asking question that why, but in the deep knowing, you there is something which is happening in your life in which you are asking that why this happening to me, why this situation is happening to me. But in the deep knowing, here in your deep knowing, you know that it was written in your fates. It is written in your fates. You know that. You know that that is written in your fates, that you know that already. Okay, but you still thinking that why this is happening. You want to deal, you want to be treat some situation equal. Okay, you want equal amount of give and take with someone here. Let's see what are the messages for this twin flame Aquarius soulmate reading. Give me the 5 messages. Moving on, you are moving on. Okay, give me the message. Thought chakra, what are the message? Can you see 654? Discontent and boredom. No, too many cards. Okay, third eye chakra, positive movement forward, wisdom. Bottom of the deck, I'm having wow, spiritual union, Aquarius. There is rejoice in celebration. That means many of you are going to get your spiritual union. Wow, see, that is your written in your destiny, and this is also a world card. This is 3 of cups, celebration, spiritual union. That's why this is written in your destiny, in your fates. You know that this is written in your destiny, this is written in your fates, in your deep knowing. You know that. Okay. But you are moving on. You are moving on. Whatever is happening, you are moving on towards the light in a forward direction here. Your third chakra is activated. Your third chakra is activated here. And once your third chakra is activated, now you can communicate clearly. You can express your clarity. You can express yourself. You are feeling discontentment and boredom here. Okay. You're feeling discontentment and boredom here, but your third eye chakra is getting activated here, because can you see there are two chakras which is getting activated for you. Now you are becoming more intuitive than before. Okay, and there is positive movement forward. Okay, see, you are moving in a forward direction towards light, and here I can see the positive movement forward. There is sun, there is light. You are moving in a forward direction, and now you're becoming more wise. Wisdom is here. You're becoming more wise than before. Okay. There is spiritual union which is coming for you, Aquarius. Reconciliation is here. There is Three of Cups energy. Let me adjust my cards. There is Three of Cups energy, the celebration here. And this is written in your destiny. You cannot do anything. Okay, because this is written in your destiny. And there is world card here too. There is 10 number. This is world card also. So you're completing a cycle with someone. Okay. Maybe there is someone from your past who is coming back. Let me clarify with the tarot. Let me clarify. I don't clarify usually, you know that. But today I want to clarify. Let's see. Let me see that. Why there is to be fair? Clarify to be fair. Let me clarify to be fair. Okay. So there was someone who broke your heart, and because of that situation you were spending sleepless night, you were feeling restricted. They promised you that they are going to give you Ace of Cups emotional fulfillment, but they did not give you that. But they give you what? That they put you in a third party situation. They give you, see, they were hidden emotions, which was they were lying, cheating, manipulation. There is no Seven of Swords energy, but I'm feeling that. Okay, here you're feeling restricted, stuck. Can you see here? Swords energy is here completely. Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords. You are spending sleepless nights because of this person. You were restricted, you were unable to move in a forward direction, you were lost, you were having a lot of secrets. Okay, about this situation, and you want to deal that situation with equal amount of give and take here, because they promise that they are going to give you Ace of Cups here, but that situation is going to end here. That is why there is change of the wind. There is change in the wind, because can you see how this, because of this wind, this is going to end. There is going to death and rebirth. The transformation is taking place because you are moving on in a forward direction in the light. Can you clarify me? Change in the wind. Clarify change in the wind. Why there is change in the wind? Justice. Some kind of karmic justice is going to serve in your case, Aquarius. Yeah. Change in the wind is being clarified by the Justice and Knight of Cups. Some love offer is coming towards you, which is written in your destiny. That's the karmic justice which is being served in your case here. Why there is exchanging gift? Exchanging gifts. You were carrying a lot of burdens on the shoulders here. But now you are completing a cycle here. See again the World card. The World card and the World card. Carrying a lot of shoulders, but this is the completion here, the 10. Clarify why. Why there is why. You are juggling a lot to bring a balance in a situation, Aquarius. Okay. Now the judgment has been made in your case, and now you are moving in a forward direction. See the Chariot moving on. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction. Here I am having positive movement forward too. Positive movement forward. That's the judgment which is being made by the divine, or you are making that judgment. You are enough of juggling between two situations. You're saying no more juggling, now I'm moving in a forward direction. That's the judgment either you are making for yourself or the divine is making for you. Clarify deep knowing. Emperor. Clarify deep knowing. Bottom of the deck I'm having Lovers. 1111 was the recording reading time. This is your Lovers, the Emperor, the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Swords. In your deep knowing, okay, because here I'm having Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. This is you. In your deep knowing, you already know the truth, that whatever option your divine counterpart is or exploring, they are going to come back towards you. You are the one with whom they are going to spend their whole life. Okay, this is your counterpart, your twin flame, your soulmate. Maybe they were exploring other options. Okay, Seven of Cups, but then you already know this truth. In your deep knowing, you already know this truth, that they are going to come towards you only. 1155 was the recording reading time. You already know this truth, that they are going to come towards you. Here I'm having spiritual union too, so maybe they're coming with a spiritual union. Let me clarify. What is the faith? Why there is fates? The fates. Clarify the fates. This was written in your fates, has been clarified by Six of Cups. This is someone from your past. This is the soulmate card. This is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. This is not a new energy. You both know each other. This was written in your fates. The Six of Cups. This someone from your past who was written in your case. What else you want, Aquarius? That's why you are the blessed one. You are the blessed one, because here I'm having the sun. They're coming towards you to give you the happy new beginnings. Okay, the new happy beginnings are coming for you. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. They want to start a new happy beginning with you, Aquarius. This is someone from your past who is coming back in your life. Maybe they were exploring a lot of options, but in your deep knowing, you know this truth, that they are going to come back towards you only. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from angels. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius, twin flame and soulmate reading. Give me the messages. What are the messages? Opportunity and change, self-acceptance. Give me the message. Composure. Any other message? Wow. Take charge and action. You need to surrender yourself to the divine. Surrender to the divine. Take charge and action of your life, Aquarius. The opportunity and change is coming towards you. Okay. You have to do your inner child healing and healing energy. Both are here. So there is healing energy which is there for you. You have to do your inner child healing. Heal your inner child, Aquarius. Because here I'm having self-acceptance. You have to accept yourself. Acceptance, self-acceptance and composure both are here. So yes, 1441 was the recording reading time. Self-acceptance, self-love is here. You need to receive You need to be vulnerable and freedom. Vulnerability and freedom is here. Okay. And there is ask and receive. If you ask to the divine, the universe, you will receive the help if you required it. So if you're requiring any kind of that help, ask to the universe so that they can provide the help with that. Okay. And this is the holy love, beautiful, because this is a divinely guided. This is one who is in your faith, who is written in your destiny. This is divinely guided, divinely guided relationship, I can say that. Okay, so yes, this is the holy love. So thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from the divine, from the tarot deck. What are the messages you want me to deliver to my Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Give me the messages. Forgiveness. Forgive yourself and others, Aquarius. Okay, you need to forgive yourself and forgive others who have hurt you in the past. There is soul contracts. You are in process of ending old cycles. See, you are in a process of ending old cycles. So this was your soul contract which you are completing, and you are ending that old cycles. Any other message? You need to keep your patience right now. Keep your patience. Spiritual independence. Wow. Divine feminine synchronicities. Okay. This situation requires more time, Aquarius. So have patience. Okay. Keep patience. There is ascension rising in your soul's light, shedding old skin. Here. You are in a process of ascension. The acceptance, the art of accepting yourself and everyone in the universe. So you have to accept everyone and even yourself, and forgive everyone and yourself. Here, that's the message I'm getting. There is spiritual independence. Enjoy your independence, Aquarius. Okay, see, vulnerability and freedom, spiritual independence, which is coming for you. And this is for divine feminines here. Aquarius divine feminines. Nothing can resist her magnetizing nature. You're becoming the divine feminine here. There is a new chapter of life is indicated here. New beginnings. A new chapter, a new journey is going to start here. Beautiful. I love it. Let's see more messages. Shivery. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Help me out to deliver the messages. Wow. Wow. What else? You are rising as divine feminines, Aquarius. Divine feminines, divine feminines. Bottom of the deck I was having yin and yang. Beautiful. Divine feminines and divine feminines. Now you are rising as divine feminines because you are, taking care of yourself. The garden is here. You're taking care of your own inner soul. You are loving yourself. The love you are giving to your own self. Beautiful. Spiritual union, yin and yang. Okay, and here I'm having commitment. Aquarius, beautiful thing is happening in your life. A new journey is indicated here. You are rising as in divine feminine here. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is beautiful and very powerful reading today for you. I'm just having vibrations in myself. Okay, yeah, this is yin and yang. This is spiritual union which is happening for you, Aquarius. There is commitment which is coming for you here. Beautiful. Can you see how these three cards are here? Commitment, divine feminines. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I love it. Thank you. Let's add some messages from the power of love. Let's add one message. What are the messages you want me to deliver to Aquarius? Twin flame soulmate reading. Give me one message. Peacefulness. You recognize that balance, kindness and love bring calmness to your souls. To your soul. Okay. So you have learned this, that peacefulness can bring calmness, kindness and love, balance. These all three will bring calmness to your soul. Peacefulness is here. Beautiful. Let me see what are the messages from soul journey. What is the soul lesson which you need to learn? What is the soul lesson which Aquarius has to learn in this life journey? Give me one soul lesson. I get two. Okay. There is loneliness. I know that I am never alone. Okay. So loneliness. Okay. That's the soul lesson which you need to learn, that you are never alone. Okay. Loneliness is the message. Then there is surrender. I can release any need to control. So surrender and loneliness are the two important soul lessons which you have to learn in this life journey. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from power of surrender. What are the messages which I need to deliver? What is the thing which Aquarius needs to surrender? Okay, give me one. What is Aquarius needs to surrender? Okay. Surrender low self-esteem, Aquarius. You deserve success, love and abundance. Set an intention to identify and release any remnants of low self-esteem. So you have to surrender your low self-esteem if you're having inside of you. So thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Let's see what are the message. What are the message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? There is a wake up call which is happening for you. Wake up, Aquarius, wake up. You have to look forward, okay? Look in a forward direction. Claim your art. Rejuvenate yourself. Be of service. Have faith. Refine your attention and correct your mistakes, okay? Correct your mistake. Strengthen your gifts and do something different. 2323 was the recording reading time. Strengthen your gifts and do something different, Aquarius. Let go and enjoy and be decisive. Be decisive and let go and enjoy. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add what is the life purpose which you are having and your twin flame and soulmate is having in this life journey. Give me the life purpose of Aquarius and their twin flame soulmate is having. Strength, justice, any other life purpose Aquarius and their twin flame and soulmate is having. Okay. Okay. The first is strength. Everything you have experienced in your life has made you strong and courageous. So strength is a life purpose for you, Aquarius. There is justice. Your career brings fairness and protection to others when you who need your help. Okay. So justice is a card, is a life purpose for you and your twin flame or soulmate. Then there is books. You connect to your life purpose through your involvement with books. So books plays an important role in your life purpose. Then there is options. Consider the career possibilities that are open to you. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from Angels Answers. What are the messages which you need to deliver to my Aquarius, twin flame and soulmate reading? Wow. Big happy changes are coming. 2525 was the recording reading time. Big happy changes are coming for you, Aquarius. Yay! Remain positive. Okay. Remain positive. And there is look for a sign. Okay, look for a sign. Remain positive. Beautiful. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Yeah, I have to add something from this. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Beautiful. Thank you. So love believes limitations and underlying blocks here. Okay, there is nothing to worry about. All is well. You need not to fear at all, Aquarius. Okay, all is well, all is well. There is metaphorsis. You are in a process of transformation. Okay, so beautiful transformation is taking place for you. There is new doors, embarrass change, opportunities showing up, big happy changes, new doors are opening, big happy new changes are coming for you, Aquarius. So in every deck I am getting the beautiful messages which I get for you always. So this was the message which I was getting for you. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from your divine masculine. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What does Aquarius twin flame and soulmate wants to say to my Aquarius? What does they want to say? I am not the same person that you remember, Aquarius. So they want to tell you that they are not the same person which you remember. Something is still missing for me and I'm trying to figure out what that is. They are trying to figure out that what is that they are missing. Okay, something is missing inside of them. No one compares to you, Aquarius. Okay, let's add some message from this. More message from your twin flame, your soulmate. Let me see. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame? You appreciate me. Okay, you appreciate me. Touching you is the most wonderful feeling ever. Beautiful. Okay, touching you is the most wonderful feeling ever. You appreciate me. Any other message for Aquarius? Okay. You are always there when I need you. Okay, you are always there when I need you. If I die tomorrow, I would know I found my soulmate in this life. Oh, so they know that you are the soulmate and they want to tell you this, that they have found their soulmate. Have you wrapped your arms around me and how that makes me feel secure? So they love the wrapping of your arms. You know me better than I know myself. You pamper me like your baby. You have magic hand that can fix everything. So they love your touch basically. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add the sign, the zodiac signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, and the elements and the months, the days on which they are born. Give me the Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading signs. They can born on June here. They can born on January. They can be an October baby. They can be Aquarius. Aquarius, you can be dealing with Aquarius. Okay. Any other sign? Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. They can have fire and air element. They can be a Leo. They can be an earth and water sign. They can born on July. They can born on March. They can be a Sagittarius here. Okay, it fell out. A Sagittarius can be any other. Too many. Any other. They can be a Scorpio here. Any other sign for Aquarius? They can be a fire and water. Fire and air. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Capricorn, Libra, Taurus. There is a Virgo here. There is a Cancer. They can born on Feb. So these can be the signs of your twin flame and soulmate. Okay. So this was your reading, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. And sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, wherever you are in the world. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, so take care of yourself and see you soon.